Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. Well, ADA is trying to reverse. I mean, ADA had some good breakfast today, but we have to consider that ADA is still in the price range. So really, nothing has changed. What I always say is, whenever we're dealing with these price ranges, like in a correction, we need that break above the wave 1 high, and everything else is just noise. But yeah, I mean, we are tracking here this bullish scenario. We are tracking the 1-2 setup, and yesterday's dip that we've seen might have just been the C wave down. I don't fully trust it at this stage. As I shared in my earlier update on Discord to gold members, I want to see a break above 35.6 cents. That's really crucial. Why is that so important? Because it is the high point of wave 1, and in Elliott wave we get, like, 3 levels of confirmation for a bullish reversal. Obviously, assuming that a low, like a substantial low, could have formed on the 5th of August, the first level of confirmation is a possible 5-wave move to the upside. This is, yeah, we can recognize a 5-wave move. It's a bit ugly, but it's possible. The second confirmation will be a wave 2 low, like a higher low in 3 waves. That's clearly a 3-wave move down. And then the third level of confirmation is a break above 35.6 cents. Now, that would be crucial to really confirm that we are in the third wave. That's not certainty. The only other level of confirmation we can get then is that all 5 waves in large are forming here. So when we get 5 waves to 44.7 cents, that's the next level of confirmation that a substantial low formed on the 5th of August. I'm just skeptical whether we've bottomed, that we've bottomed already. These are just green candles at the moment, okay? Nothing major, super unusual in crypto. Okay, has become a bit rare on the altcoin charts, or specifically on the ADA chart here, to see such a, set of green candles. But it hasn't really broken out of the range or anything, so don't get too excited yet. Also, the pullback is quite shallow for a larger wave 2, even though I have to say it reached the 38.2 retracement, didn't it? So it reacted to the 32.2 cent level, which is the first fib level here, normally relevant for a wave 2. I actually haven't shown that on the chart, but it reacted. So if we now get a break above that 35.6 cent level, then we have a proper upside breakout. Of course, it needs to be more than just a wick. We want to have a convincing breakout. All I'm sharing with you is what's the next key level, what's the next target for the bulls. And yeah, it's on the chart. This could still turn into a larger ABC structure. The thing is, the B wave as a triangle, it is not that common. We saw that one more low that I wanted to see. I think yesterday in the video we talked about this, like it as a B wave, maybe the B wave is a triangle or a top tier, and it moved down. It just was a very shallow, let's say a very weak C wave. That's the only thing. That's why I don't fully trust it. Okay, I mean, we should never trust altcoins anyway, but I just want to share with you, this structure has some problems. The main problem is that the C wave is so short. Even I can only call it complete if the B wave was really a triangle. I could use some exotic patterns like a WXY that would work as well. But if I'm measuring the length of the C wave like that, it didn't even reach the 100% extension, which is not absolutely needed. I think it only reached the 61.8 extension. Now C waves can finish at that level, but I've not seen it many times. So that just makes this a low probability move. I mean, alternatively, we could say the correction is extending. And if I shift the box here to the right, we could easily say that a larger ABC structure is unfolding. So this could just be an A wave, like ABC, not in wave 2, but an A. We're now rallying in B and would get another low. So that's just highlighting the risk that we might be facing here, and that ADA might need that larger correction. I think in yesterday's video, I think we were already on the way down, and I showed you how ideally a micro pattern would look like, driving us lower into the support region, because the C wave would normally reach at least the 100% extension. Now, again, it hasn't reached that. So we just need to be cautious here. This is not far away, is far away from a breakout signal. So all we see is a small reaction to the 38.2 retracement. And it should be clear now what we need to see next. And if a third wave rally really unfolds from here, it should take us to 43 cents next. But that's a lot to ask. Let's first see if we can break out of the local range. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.